Welcome to my YouTube channel Cars Zone. Today we are going to talk about one of the most advanced and highly secretive missile programs developed by the United States. The AIM-260 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile, or JATM, which is making headlines in 2025. This missile has been designed to ensure that the US maintains air superiority against rising global threats and competitors who are advancing their own long-range missile systems. The AIM-260 is the direct successor to the AIM-120 which has been the main air-to-air missile for American fighter jets for decades. With new technologies emerging, especially from countries like China and Russia, the United States needed a missile that could outperform and outlast enemy systems. And the AIM-260 JATM is the answer to that challenge. The AIM-260 JATM is rumored to have a range of over 200 kilometers, significantly outclassing the AIM-120. And it fits perfectly into the weapons bays of stealth fighters such as the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II without compromising their stealth profiles. This is extremely important because it means pilots can carry a more powerful weapon without making changes to the aircraft's design. It is built with advanced propulsion systems, modern radar-guided seekers, and data link capabilities that allow it to engage highly maneuverable enemy aircraft at long distances. Its design also ensures compatibility with a wide range of American aircraft, including legacy fighters like the F-15EX and the Navy's F-18 Super Hornet, making it a versatile missile across the entire fleet. The missile has been developed as a counter to next-generation weapons like China's PL-15 and Russia's R-37M, which both have long ranges and advanced targeting features. By creating the AIM-260, the US has ensured that its pilots remain dominant in beyond visual range combat scenarios. When it comes to cost, details are not fully disclosed since this is a cutting-edge military program, but defense experts estimate that each AIM-260 JATM costs somewhere between $2 and $3 million per missile. This makes it more expensive than the AIM-120, which cost around $1 million per unit. But the added performance, extended range, and advanced targeting systems justify the price increase. The AIM-260 is expected to become the standard missile for American air combat forces, with thousands planned for production over the coming years to replace the older AIM-120 inventory. The missile's high cost also reflects the level of research, development, and testing required to make it the most reliable and effective air-to-air missile in the world. As of 2025, the AIM-260 JATM is entering full-scale deployment, giving the United States a decisive edge in aerial warfare. It is not only a weapon but a symbol of technological dominance and military power. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed learning about the AIM-260 JATM 205 and its price, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Cars Zone, and stay tuned for more fascinating updates on advanced jets, missiles, and defense technology.